Hey everyone, taking your Wix site global is no longer a manual chore. With the updated Wix Multilingual app, you can instantly translate your entire store, blog, and SEO settings into over 100 languages, ensuring your brand speaks directly to every customer, no matter where they are. Step 1. Install Wix Multilingual. We're starting in the Wix app market. We do this because the multilingual engine isn't built into the basic editor by default. It requires this specific tool to manage your different language versions. From your Wix dashboard or editor, go to the app market. Type Wix Multilingual and click Add to Site. Select your main site language. This is the source for all your future translations. Once set, this cannot be changed later. Step 2. Add and configure secondary languages. Now we are moving to the multilingual dashboard. We do this to define which specific markets you are targeting. Go to Settings, Multilingual in the top menu bar of your editor. Click the plus Add Language button. Select your new language and choose the flag that will represent it in your language switcher. Choose whether to make this language visible immediately or keep it hidden while you refine the translations. Most pros keep it hidden until they've checked the auto-translate quality. Step 3. Choose your translation method. We are focusing on the content creation. We do this to balance speed with human accuracy. Machine translation, the fast way. Wix offers roughly 3,000 to 5,000 free word credits for auto-translation via Google Translate. Toggle Auto Translate Site to On to translate your entire site in seconds. Manual translation. For complex pages, go to the Translation Manager in your dashboard. Here, you can translate text row by row or even invite a native speaker to collaborate as a translator. Step 4. Localize SEO and design. We are finishing with regional optimization. We do this because a translated site is useless if it doesn't show up in local search results or if the long German words break your layout. Switch to your secondary language in the editor and click Pages and Menu. Update the SEO title tags and meta descriptions for that specific locale. Long words can overflow buttons. You can safely resize text boxes in your secondary language without affecting the original English layout. Hit Publish to make your global storefront live. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.